So we can see here. But it's still high down in the hole, but also high up here as well. So we go over like this. But it's high everywhere around here though. So there's probably screws or something, nothing of importance. Hello everyone, today we are unboxing and showing you guys this metal detector. So they give you a manual, they give you this shovel with the compass, little carrying bag. This is everything you get. You get a bag for the metal detector, you get headphones, everything can be put together. Alright guys, so it needs 9-volt batteries. Since we don't have any, we'll have to do this some other day, but this is the whole kit that you get. Alright, so everything just gets placed in. What you do is you take out the pins, place the center rod in the center, then rethread the pin back on and line everything up. Keep in mind it's going to take 2 9-volt batteries for this to work. And let's see here. Sorry guys for the bad angle. A little tough to do this because it's kind of an awkward item. But this plug gets plugged up in underneath your monitor right in there. Alright, so it will take some getting used to, and you're going to want to go through the manual and go over and set everything, like sensitivity level and everything like that. So their depth, it shows, and it goes through everything. You can press the pinpoint. So we know that's actually fairly deep though. It's a little hard though because this says like the whole way over, but right there it's really loud. There it's not as loud. There it's not, it's sort of. So somewhere like right in here it seems to be. And of course you can change, you can go in a menu, select what you want. Sensitivity, you can change the sensitivity. Volume, we can drop the volume down. So again, like right now we change the sensitivity, so it's not going to pick up as easy because it was pretty deep, but you guys kind of get the idea. So if we go over the menu, up the sensitivity again, so somewhere right in here, but the depth shows pretty high. So we're gonna go right in here and we're gonna see what we can find right through here. So we can see here. But it's still high down in the hole, but also high up here as well. So we go over like this. But it's high everywhere around here though. So there's probably screws or something, nothing of importance. All right, so this is what it found. I'm not sure, just some kind of metal, but that's what it found. I highly recommend everyone getting a hand pinpointer because that's going to save you so much time. This is great for finding objects, and then use a small handheld pinpointer to actually pinpoint it when you dig your hole, because this is a little inconsistent and it's you know, time consuming. So that's what I recommend. Use this to find it, and then use a pinpointer to actually pinpoint it once you dig.